8-weight exhaust system on the Hellcat. It's going to sound amazing. I can't wait till it's done.
My name's David. I'm the Muffy D winner from last Saturday. Let's go. The Muffy D made my car a beast. I appreciate you, G.
This shit crazy. I'm in Miami with Gucci Roll, look like flavor. This murder shit ain't none of me, waking shit on the daily. Little bitch say she ain't.
The Meister Shaft system is the definition of excellence. 100% mandrel bend, full stainless steel, usually referred to as the Rolex of the exhaust system. If you want to stand out and separate yourself from the group, this is what you need. Up next, we have one of the most aggressive cars that's ever visited the shop. A highly modified 2019 Cadillac CTSV. Yo, come here. Let me show you what we did to this. So it's a highly modified CTSV, and we went ahead and installed a Corsa Extreme system on it. All right, this thing's got a big cam, meth injected, it's got long tube headers. Take a listen to this thing and tell me how aggressive it sounds. Finally, we have the top tier of the Mopar line, a wide-body Challenger Hellcat. And we're going to be putting on the infamous Borla attack system. Now, if you drive a Hellcat and you don't have a Borla attack system, do us all a favor and take those keys back to the dealer because you belong in a V6.